Hi, I am Sonia Patrice, founder and CEO of Sonia Patrice & Co., where I help organizations mitigate legal exposure through training and development. Also, the founder of My Course Creators, where I take individuals' knowledge, skills, and abilities and help them turn them into courses. How exactly do I do that? Glad you asked. So I ask a few questions about your business, the name of your company, what you have done in the past, and a few other questions to find out exactly what experience you do have, what your background holds, and exactly what goal you are trying to reach. From there, I take that information, turn it into an outline, and then I show you exactly how to turn those into courses. Is this program for? It's for individuals that has worked a job, has knowledge, skills, and abilities, and is able to convey some of that knowledge that's inside of their heads to a learning platform. And that includes everyone, right? So if you are that person and you want to learn more about it, you should attend this training. Once I've gathered all this information, we go to work with it. Now, don't worry if you're not tech savvy and you don't know how to work a computer, you don't know what software platforms you want to use, you're not sure how to gather all the knowledge that you've learned over the years and in your previous positions. That's why we are 2026, the corporate e-learning community is expected to grow by a great opportunity for you to take your knowledge, your skills, and abilities and put them into a course. And we are here to show you. Listen, you do not want to miss out on this opportunity. I literally only have 13 more slots available for students where we take your knowledge, your skills, your abilities, your competencies, and turn them into profitable courses. You don't have to worry about what you don't remember. I have a way of getting all that information. If you have been looking for a way to get out of your 9 to 5, go to sleep and wake up with money in your bank account because you have taken your knowledge, your skills, and your abilities to a course platform, this is the opportunity for you. So click on the link below so that you can learn more about this and how we transform your knowledge into courses. See you on the other side.